Hello. Today we welcome our recent graduate, Marina, to the Learning Center. Marina has recently found a job, and we wanted to invite her and hear her story, how she decided to change her career and her field of study, and listen about her efforts on finding a new job and so on. So, Marina, welcome back to Learning Center. We're very happy that you found a job. Could you please tell us a little bit more about your background and why you decided to change the field that you were in?
Thank you for the question. Yes, so I am a chemist, and I had a PhD in chemistry from Ukraine, and I was doing some research in the universities of Virginia, and then when I moved to DC area, I started looking for a job, for full-time job here in DC area, and I couldn't find one. So I started working part-time as teaching chemistry courses, which was, quite interesting experience, but this job is not a full-time job, and it is underpaid and overworked. So I worked in one college, then I changed another college, and then I was trying to apply for full-time jobs, and I see that there is a big competition, and there are too many of qualified people in my field. I felt desperate, I wanted to change, and then I found those classes, Learning Center, and I decided that this might be a good chance for me to enter the workforce at an entry-level position, and I don't have to have many years of experience in this field. So I started classes. That was my reason.
Well, let me ask you, what do you think about the structure of the classes and what you found most useful for yourself during the course of study?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I can say that the structure of the classes were we had theoretical lectures, we had classes where we had a lot of practical exercises, we learned practical skills, mastered practical skills, and there were boot camps. It's like a third type of activity where we get together with all our coaches and we discuss a lot of questions about interviews, about resume drafting, about how to apply for jobs, and all those procedures you have to be ready when you're applying for jobs.
Did you find such structure useful for yourself or helpful?
Yes, it did help because we had a chance to ask questions from inside, from people who are hiring managers, who knows how psychology of job search works and job hiring process works, and this was very, very helpful.
Great. Very, very glad to hear that. Can you tell us a little bit more? How long did it take you to find the job, and how many resumes did you send out? How many interviews did you have, and how the process looked like for you?
Okay, yes, I can. So we had, during the classes I was taking, we had several boot camps, and one of them we discussed the resume, and the moment I drafted my resume, I said, I might start to do job search now. So I started looking for the positions, and I found plenty of the positions, and one of them excites me a lot because it was a position which required tester skills and chemical background. So I got excited about it, and I sent the resume right there.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I was applying for tester positions, maybe 20 positions I also applied, and I posted my resume on Dice and LinkedIn and Indeed.com.
Mm-hmm.
But those were not, very successful applications. So the position which required chemical background and tester skills actually worked out because I, received an interview call and scheduled for a personal interview.
Well, that's what we recommend to most of our students. As a matter of fact, our students come from all walks of life, and many of them have interesting experience. And those industries that they previously worked in, they are involved in IT, whether they like it or not. Everybody has an IT department these days, and obviously they are looking for qualified people who know their subject matter industry, their subject matter experts in their industry, and they possess an additional IT related skills and can test the software for their industry.
Exactly.
So
I also could add that even I'm not applying right now, I still receive like 5 emails a week, inquiries if I am interested on position or not, and if I am, they encourage me to apply. And I just send them friendly reply that thank you, I found the position, but thank you.
Well, perhaps you can send the referrals to our existing students.
This
maybe
I can do.
Maybe you can refer our viewers, right? And they can find their jobs.
Yes, this is maybe.
Well, Marina, thank you so much, and we wish you the best of luck in your career.
Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you.